Despain Beyer Boys is your local expert for HVAC, plumbing, water well, and electrical services. And right now, Despain has a great offer to get you ready for the Texas heat. When you install a new AC system with Despain, we'll throw in the furnace for free. That's right, a new furnace with the installation of a new AC system. Give your home the love it deserves with a new high-efficiency system that's sure to keep you comfortable all year long. Don't wait. This deal won't last forever. Contact Despain Beyer Boys today.